Hi there! The Victoria Sponge is one of the most popular cakes of all time, and now you can have your cake and eat it with this refined sugar-free, lower fat version. I really hope you enjoy the tutorial. For this recipe, the sugar substitutes I'm using are xylitol and a little bit of raw honey. Xylitol comes in a bag like this. Please do feel free to look it up. Apparently it has lots of health benefits. So, I'm going to put 80 grams of xylitol into the bowl of your stand mixer, followed by 150 grams of softened butter, and then we're going to cream the two together just until they're smooth. And now with the mixer going, we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Now it's time to add 200 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to start it off by hand, just so it doesn't fly all over the kitchen. Now I'm going to mix it until smooth. I want to get a nice drop consistency for my batter. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of cold water to it now. And once that's mixed in, it'll be ready to go. Once the batter is smooth, divide it into 2 8-inch cake tins. And even it out with the back of a spatula or a spoon. I'm now going to bake these at 160 degrees fan, 180 degrees conventional heat for 15 minutes. Our sponges have come out of the oven, they've cooled for 5 minutes, and now we're going to turn them out onto the cooling rack to cool completely. When your sponges have cooled, now it's time to decorate them. I'm using a blueberry and strawberry jam that I made the other day. It's a 0 sugar jam. If you're interested in learning how to make it, then check out the recipe which is on my community, What's Cooking in Stacey Dees Kitchen. I'm going to put quite a bit of jam on there and not a lot of cream in the inside because I want to decorate the top with more cream. I'll get a nice dollop of jam on there with the jam out to the edge. I'm going to put the cream on the top layer, the underneath of the top layer, because if I put the cream on this layer, well, all the jam's going to fly off and mix in with the cream, and we don't want that to happen. We just want a thin layer of cream. I just whisked up this cold cream in my KitchenAid. It took about 40 seconds to do it. You can also use a hand whisk. Don't over whisk it because it'll get too hard. Right, now that looks perfect, we need to flip it over and pop it on the top. Traditionally, a Victoria sponge would have icing sugar or caster sugar on the top. Obviously, we're not going to do that today because we are refined sugar-free. So I'm putting some cream on the top and we're going to decorate it with cream and some berries. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then please share the baking love. Until next time, bye!